If you're looking for simple and fun ways to help your toddler explore shapes and colors, whether they're just starting out or already know the basics and need more practice, you are in the right place. These 10 games help support my 2-year-old learning shapes, colors, matching, sorting, and fine motor skills, so I'm sharing them here in case they spark some ideas for you too. Let's jump right in. Grab a cardboard box and draw some silly little monsters on it. Mine are a bit detailed, but they don't have to be. You can totally draw simple shapes with some eyes as long as the monster's mouth matches the shape you want your toddler to learn. Then, cut out the mouth part to create an opening. After that, cut out some matching shapes from cardboard just a little smaller than the mouth. Now, your kid can have fun feeding the monsters. Draw some shapes that you want your kid to learn on a piece of cardboard. Lightly draw a line down the center of each shape to help you cut them in half later for shape matching. On some color paper, draw shapes that are similar in size to the ones you just drew on the cardboard. Cut those shapes in half and glue one half onto the cardboard. Now your kid can match the shapes. You can also try this activity using magnetic tiles, which will save you some steps. Grab a piece of cardboard and cut out some shapes from color paper. Make 2 of each shape. Glue one set of shapes onto one side of the cardboard. I have some compostable straws, so I cut them into short pieces. Just make sure they're all roughly the same length, and hot glue them onto the cardboard. Then, I use double-sided tape to stick the other set of shapes onto cotton swabs. Trim off the tips at the end. Now your toddler can match the shapes by sliding them into the straws. Draw some shapes on a piece of cardboard and cut them out. Then make smaller versions of those shapes using color paper. Flip the cardboard over and cover the back with clear tape. This way, your kid can stick the smaller shapes inside the bigger ones. The paper pieces can be peeled off and used again, making it a fun, reusable matching game. Cut out some shapes from color paper. I included a few less common ones this time. Use double-sided tape to stick the shapes onto popsicle sticks. Then grab a cardboard box. I covered mine with white paper to hide the printed text under the original box for less distraction. Stick all the shapes vertically on one side of the box. Use a craft knife to make a few slots. Then gently whiten them with a popsicle stick so they're easier to insert. Show your kid how to sort the popsicle sticks by shape in each row. And that's it. For the next color activity, simple color petals using cardboard and cellophane can be a fun way to introduce colors to your kid and explore color mixing. Draw the shapes you want to teach your kid on a piece of cardboard with the handles to each one and cut out the inner shapes. Stick on some pieces of cellophane to fill the openings. Let your kid hold each petal and name the colors. Then teach your kid how to layer 2 petals together to see what new color they can make. Use colored tape to make a large letter I on a flat surface. Then prepare some pom-poms in matching colors. Invite your toddler to sort the pom-poms by color, placing them along the lines of the I. Since pom-poms are light and can roll away easily, you can add a few small pieces of tape along the I to help keep them in place. The next color activity also uses simple materials. Save a few empty paper towel or toilet paper rolls, then cut them into small rings. I used 7 to create a flower shape. Inside each ring, stick a different color dot sticker. Hot glue the shapes onto a piece of cardboard. Draw a flower pot at the bottom to complete the look. Now, grab some pom-poms and let your toddler match the colors. If your kid is already comfortable using tweezers, this can be a great opportunity to work those fine motor skills. Just have them pick up the pom-poms with tweezers instead of their hands. If you have colorful Play-Doh, you can also roll them into little balls to sort colors that way. This color game just needs a few colorful clothespins, some cardboard, and dot sticker. Cut the cardboard into strips and stick a different color dot sticker at each end. Ask your kid to match the clothespins to the colors by clipping them onto the right dots. For the last game, we are using paper cups and pom-poms. Colored cups are a nice bonus but not necessary. Cut a circle out of the bottom of each cup and color the rim with the colors you want your kid to learn. Use hot glue to attach the cups to a piece of cardboard. You don't need to use all 6 cups on one board. Starting with just 2 or 3 might actually make it easier to remove the pom-poms when your kid makes a mistake. Then, invite your toddler to toss the pom-poms into the cup that matches the color inside. I hope this video gave you at least a few new ideas for exploring shapes and colors with your little one. Thanks for watching and happy learning!